Welcome to 100 Days of Learning Legal and Compliance for Founders. This is day 15. Dear founders, most founders think investors reject them because the idea is bad. But honestly, many times investors say no because the story is not clear, the numbers are not ready, or the startup has hidden risks. So here are 5 mistakes which founders do which leads to their rejection by investors. Mistake 1. Your problem is too vague. Explain one real customer pain, who faces it, how often it happens, and why existing solutions are not enough. Mistake 2. You say everyone is your customer. Define your first target customer clearly. Who will buy, who will pay, and why they need it now. Mistake 3. You have no proof that people want it. Show revenue, users, paid pilots, LOAs, waitlist, retention, testimonials, or even strong customer conversations. Mistake 4. Your valuation sounds like a guess. Connect your valuation with traction, market size, growth, margins, funding ask, dilution, and the milestone you will achieve with this money. Mistake 5. Your startup is not investor ready from a compliance angle. Make sure your legal, tax, secretarial, and FEMA compliances, if applicable, are properly complied with and documented. Investors don't expect perfection, but they do expect clarity. So before fundraising, don't just prepare a pitch deck. Prepare your problem, customer, traction, numbers, compliance position, and documentation.